Okay guys, I had this issue where I had these buttons sticking on my controller where it was stuck. I couldn't move it. Okay, I found a way to fix that. If you pull the little trigger button right here, you see there's a little opening right there. Take an object such as one of these tie wraps, something as thin as this tie wrap. And what you want to do is you want to get underneath this little trigger right here with the tie wrap, and then insert it in there like so. Once you do that, just kind of wiggle it around in there, get up underneath, and usually what'll happen is the button will get unstuck and it goes back to its normal position. I guess it's just an accumulation of dust and different things, that sweat and whatever else that gets in there that cause your controllers to jam. But if you try that little trick, it might bring back your button. And if you found this video to be helpful, comment, subscribe, and thanks for your attention.